I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a clean, polished base. Wash your face and apply a lightweight moisturizer so skin reads fresh on camera and in person. Once done, choose a cohesive color story, 2 to 3 complementary hues, to guide outfit and makeup choices and prevent mismatch. Make sure hair is detangled and set into a simple, tidy shape. A small clip or elastic can elevate the look instantly. These first actions keep things effortless and set up every following step to read cute and intentional. Now refine shapes, colors, and contrast so the look reads cute rather than busy. Apply tinted SPF, then spot correct with concealer. Add a natural blush to the apples of your cheeks to warm your expression. Choose a fitted top and one statement piece, like a patterned scarf or playful bag, to anchor the outfit while keeping proportions balanced. Finally, add one delicate accessory and lock in posture. Slightly lifted chin and relaxed shoulders, because how you carry yourself sells more than any single item. Finish by doing a 60-second walkthrough. Blot any shine on the T-zone, tuck stray hairs, and check your smile so everything photographs and reads cohesive. Once satisfied, lightly set makeup with a spritz of setting spray or a hair mist to keep texture intact for hours. If something goes wrong, like excess shine or discomfort, use blotting paper or swap to a looser top. Quick fixes prevent a whole redo and keep your cute look consistent and low stress for the rest of your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.